Look, Microsoft ChatGPT GPTs in Copilot now rolling out for free. The highly anticipated ChatGPT-powered GPT are finally available in the free version of the Microsoft Copilot. The tech giant tells me the GPT feature won't be exclusive to the Pro subscription, and it's already rolling out to the general public. If you are lucky, you should be able to see some of the GPT already. The Copilot GPT do not require a Microsoft account or Edge browser. In our test, we could access the ChatGPT in Google Chrome without signing into a Microsoft account. For now, GPT are limited in functionality and you can only use the basic modules like a GPT for fitness, designing or cooking. Copilot GPT are more optimized for the topic of your choosing. For example, if you select Microsoft Designer GPT, you should be able to generate more creative images using DALL-E 3. That because the Designer ChatGPT is more optimized for creativity using extra knowledge and can also maximize the potential of DALL-E 3. OpenAI noted in its blog post that GPT are more than just prompt engineers. They include additional instruction, extra knowledge, and any combination of skills. In other words, GPT are tailored to your needs, and Microsoft is bringing the powerful feature to everyone for free. The tech giant is currently testing the following GPT Copilot, bringing you a balance of A1 and the web. Designer, creating images from words. Vacation planner, discover, plan and book travel. Cooking assistant, find, plan and cook meals. Fitness trainer, fitness program and wellness tips. The GPT customizes the existing Copilot experience, and Microsoft plans to introduce more GPT in the coming weeks. Microsoft tests Copilot GPT Builder. If you have access to Copilot Pro, you can also build and customize these Copilot GPTs, which are similar to the GPT Builder available in the ChatGPT Plus. To build a Copilot GPT, you can answer some question and go through the straightforward prompt engineering, knowledge, upload and other actions. It's worth nothing that these GPT are already present in ChatGPT Plus, but Microsoft is bringing them to the free version of Copilot. Similarly, Microsoft told me to would continue to offer ChatGPT GPT-4 Turbo and Copilot for free, but only during non-peak hours. On the other hand, Copilot Pro subscribers will always have access to GPT and GPT-4 Turbo. There are several advantages of using the Pro subscription. For example, if you want to use DALL-E 3 and its full potential, Copilot Pro could be a better option as it offers 100 daily boost and faster performance. Similarly, a Pro subscription may allow you to try experimental models before everyone else.